Great advice about learning how to make money online that anyone can easily follow. Opportunities to earn money online are more abundant and diverse than they ever have been. Now that most people know how to shop online safely, you can get involved in e-commerce. Follow the tips presented here to begin your journey into the world of online money making. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Do a Google search for making money online. Your query will generate a lot of results. Check reviews before you sign on with any firm. No matter what your choice is, you should take your time with things. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video, or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support, and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions. However, a nonprofit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. It's easy to find ways to make money online these days if you follow a few simple guidelines. By taking the time to do your research, you have an advantage over the competition. Keep this video on hand to help in your endeavors to make online income. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.